Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. I'll show you how to remove the CapCut watermark easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Open the CapCut. Open your project. Scroll to the end of your timeline and you'll see the CapCut Ultra with a watermark. Simple tap and hit delete. The watermark is gone. Now export your video without it. Method 2. If you edit an overlay with the CapCut watermark, select the overlay clip and choose transform button. Tap on it, then tap resize and remove the watermark section. Change the resize. Tap OK. Alternatively, place a share or text over the watermark to cover it. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.